Hi, my name is Justin. I had an otoplasty by Dr. Guida for my ears. Before the surgery, I felt much less confident about wearing hats. But now, after the surgery, I can wear hats. I can do other things that I couldn't do. My ears don't stick out, and it makes me a new person, basically. During the surgery, I felt nervous, but Dr. Guida made me feel more comfortable when I was in the room. And once I went on anesthesia, I felt very okay. And then after the surgery, I was fine. The recovery went well, and the pain on my ears after the surgery was very minimal. There was pain, but it really didn't hurt much. The recovery was about a week when I was perfectly fine, basically. If you're looking to get surgery, I highly recommend going to Dr. Guida.
I'm very happy with the surgery. Before the surgery, I didn't really like my profile. And now that I got the surgery, my confidence went up a lot. I was very scared to have the surgery, but in the end, it was not as much pain, and it took a little while, but now I'm very happy with the results. Dr. Guida and the staff, they're very great people. They made me feel very comfortable about it, and I wasn't as scared when I went in because of them, and I'm very grateful for that. If you're thinking about having the surgery, I would 100% do it. He has hands of gold, and he is a very, 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 very good doctor.
Hi, I'm Natalie. Dr. Guida performed an upper eye lift, a full laser on my face. He did lipo on my neck, and he did a facelift. He's incredible, and I recommend him to anyone. These procedures have helped me to be happier and more confident. I started working out and taking better care of myself because I felt younger, and it just gave me the incentive to be a better person all the way around. My eyes healed within 3 days. My face I had done on a Friday, and I was cooking Sunday dinner. In around a week or two, not even 2 weeks, I would say under 2 weeks, I was out, publicly out, and you couldn't even tell. He just did such a natural look on my face. If you are considering having anything done on your face, I could not recommend anyone more highly than Dr. Guida. He's the best.
Hi, I'm Samantha, and I had a rhinoplasty, septoplasty, and a tonsillectomy with Dr. Guida. So after my tonsillectomy, that was the first procedure that I had with Dr. Guida, my life immediately improved significantly. I am a singer as well as a hairstylist and makeup artist, so everything that I do is very closely tied to my ability to breathe in a really easy and functional way. And I was having a really hard time doing everything I needed to do for the things that I love to do. And having that blockage taken out immediately made a huge difference. And then going back in for the second procedure, having the septoplasty correcting the deviation in my nose opened up my world completely for me. My range opened up massively when it came to singing, and my ability to work a longer day, everything changed for me. It totally took me to a new level personally and professionally. As far as recovering from my procedures, when it came to everything I needed to have set up for me, Dr. Guida and his team took care of me from the minute I walked into the office the day of the procedure, setting me up with all the information I needed afterwards as well. And my rhino and septoplasty was 6 days on the nose. My swelling had almost gone completely down. I looked completely better. All the bruising went away. If you are considering having surgery, with anything that Dr. Guida might offer you, I would recommend him highly. I told my brothers to go see him. They both had procedures with him, and they are both in a million times better shape than they have ever been. As far as their respiratory is concerned, my little brother had revision with him as well, and we love the results. We love the familial feeling of the office, and I can't tell you enough how much I love Dr. Guida and his team.
Hi, my name's Maria Mayo. I'm a celebrity makeup artist, and I am a former patient of Dr. Guida's. He did my rhinoplasty, and I'm here today for submental liposuction. I decided to have this procedure because I'm really unhappy with the laxity of the skin under my chin, and I really wanted to have a facelift, and Dr. Guida talked me out of it. There were 3 other surgeons that I talked to, and they all wanted to do a facelift, and he said, no, you're not having a facelift. We're gonna do the submental lipo, you're gonna be happy, and I trust him implicitly. He did a beautiful job with my rhinoplasty, so I'm very excited to have this done today. If you're thinking about having a cosmetic procedure, you wanna go to someone who specializes in the face area. Dr. Guida only performed surgery from the neck up, which I felt very comfortable with. I feel like a lot of doctors kind of do a little bit of everything, and you can never really perfect an art that way. I think if you're looking for someone who is artistic and a specialist in the field of facial cosmetics, he's your guy. I trust him implicitly with my face, and I've recommended so many patients to him over the years.
My name is Debbie. I had reconstructive rhinoplasty done by Dr. Guida a few months back. I had a deviated septum, which was affecting my breathing. I had a lot of sinus infections. I also had an appearance that was pretty harsh with a bump on the top of my nose, and I wanted the surgery done to hopefully address all of those issues. And prior to seeing him, I saw 5 or 6 different doctors in different states, and I just wasn't comfortable with what I was hearing. I didn't feel like what I wanted was going to be addressed. I wanted it done for over 15 years, and over the years, looking at different doctors and doing the research, when I came across Dr. Guida, I knew it was going to be the right match. And he was so friendly, and I felt comfortable, and he knew exactly what I wanted, and he knew how to address it on every level I need. The surgery itself was honestly really easy, and to my surprise, nothing that I was getting myself worked up to think it was going to be. I think I healed incredible for that. I went back to work the following Monday. I had it done on a Thursday. I was to work on that Tuesday. I think it is a big decision to make, especially when it's your face. You can't really hide it. You can't camouflage it in any way. It's especially your nose or anything on your face. Your nose is almost the first thing everybody sees. I do a lot of research before making such a big decision, and from doing that and then meeting him myself and having the results that have exceeded my expectations, there's no other doctor to choose than Dr. Guida.